Hello friends, welcome back. Today on my channel I'm going to be going over how I clean my septic tank filter. It's in the solids tank that goes from the solids to the liquids tank and then onto the field. So this filter is supposed to catch any solids before they go into the liquids tank and then on into the field and stop them from clogging the lines. So here first I have my drill and the bit for the size of the bolts that are in there, pair of rubber gloves, safety glasses, and then I already have the garden hose out there to hose this out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this lid off and then we'll pull the filter out, we'll clean it out, and then we'll reinstall it. Take the lid off. Okay, the lid's off, and this is the filter, and it just pulls straight out. And then I set my lid back on just so the dog doesn't fall in. And now we just hose it all off. That's pretty clean. So there it is. Nice and clean. Okay, now we're going to put it back in. Remove the lid. And on the top of this, you really can't get it wrong. It's got an arrow showing where it outlets into the next tank. And there's also grooves in the pipe where this stuff will set in. So we just have the arrow pointed towards the outlet. Slide it back down in. And bring those. They are right. Okay, so that's cleaning out my septic tank filter. Now we'll reinstall the lid here. Kind of try and line the holes up with the old ones. It's not absolutely necessary to do that. And a little backstory on this is we moved into this house in Halloween of 2019, I think it was. And then when everything, about a week after everything shut down from COVID the following year, our septic tank, or our septic system failed. Like in the next tank is supposed to be just liquids, and it has a pump in there that once it fills up, it pumps it into the field. And that pump's alarm went off, and the pump was just running and running and running, but it wasn't going down. So I had a contractor come out, and they confirmed my lines were clogged. So we had to replace the gravel and the lines in it. Thankfully, we didn't have to replace the sand and all that, everything else in it. And he suggested that we install this filter to help prevent that in the future. So we had to dig up between the two tanks. They replaced that line and installed that filter. And one thing he told me to do is to do this cleaning twice a year, and he suggests like Labor Day and Memorial Day, so you don't forget, twice a year, because he said he used to do his only once a year, and one year at Christmas time, Christmas Day, had his entire family there, and that filter clogged and backed the septic system up and was filling his basement with sewage. So he highly suggested to do it twice a year. So that's what I do. I haven't had any issues since. So let's put these bolts back in. And do not over tighten them because they'll strip out really easy. So that's how I clean my septic filter. Any questions, comments, please put them in the comments. Anything I can do better, anything else I should do, yeah, any comments. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you.